Hello, I'm Tejaswini. I'm a product manager at Crayon Data. There are billions of digital natives today who demand personalized products and experiences in every possible interaction they do. We've researched and analyzed the offer portfolios and digital platforms of over 100 global consumer banks and found that less than 2% of banks delivered personalized offers to their customers. Less than 2% banks know and collect the customer's taste. Only 1 in 4 banks surface relevant offers to their customers, which means 3 out of 4 of you are irrelevant. This is why Crayon built Maya.ai. It is a two-sided platform that unlocks the value of personalized commerce. Banks are able to deliver increased personalization and better relevance to their customers, drive traffic and businesses to their merchants, benefiting from better customer engagement, increased spends, and newer sources of revenue like affiliate fees. Maya.ai has created a mobile marketplace in a box for a leading bank in the UAE. A high-touch personal concierge app was developed for a leading lifestyle brand in the Middle East, and Maya.ai is the power behind the most successful digital wallet, launched in Myanmar with over 6 million customers and $4 billion worth of transactions onboarded in just 18 months. In 2020, we hit an important milestone. We delivered a $1 billion in incremental revenue for our clients across the world. Here's how it works. In the consumer-facing interface, let's take my current location as is and look for some shops to shop from. Maya.ai knows the city that I am in and identifies my tastes and studies my transaction history. It then neatly presents a set of 4 to 6 personalized recommendations that speaks to my individual taste. Now, you can ask, how do we do this? We've curated hundreds of attributes on about 3.5 million merchants around the world where we store the customer's preferences, which then helps us to get these recommendations. Real-time machine learning systems read every customer interaction and refine the recommendations in session. The same principle is again applied to every lifestyle category on every merchant in every country around the world. Maya.ai has been proven to help banks increase engagement and retention rates while significantly improving the unit economics of marketing from reduced cost per point to increased cross and upsell of brand products. This application enables unified omni-channel experiences and is available as a white labeled asset or a widget or native APIs that can be integrated with any banking application like web applications, concierge systems, CRM systems, wallets, and many more. And we give you, the bank, a complete control on every single conversation through Maya.ai's enterprise suite. The first studio in the suite, the Taste Studio, helps us explore tastes of every single customer and unearth relevance-led opportunities. For example, you might wonder where the millennials are spending their money during lockdown. We know people are spending their money online, but how do we capitalize on this? Our proprietary external data allows us to break transactions down to tastes to understand the attributes that drive consumer behavior. We can choose as many attributes as we want here. The scale at which this is created allows us to query 1 million customers in less than 30 seconds. The same can take several days to weeks for marketing teams using traditional tools and processes. In a few seconds, Maya.ai has identified recommendations. The available opportunities section shows you spends that you can directly capture through your existing offers. The lost opportunities section highlights the risk of losing spends to competitors. You can now make an informed decision on how to proceed as you have an accurate estimate of the spends to expect from this campaign. Total spends and response rates are where Maya.ai's predictive algorithm gives you an accurate sizing of the dollar value at stake or up for grabs. So in less than a minute, Maya.ai has helped us curate an opportunity worth millions of dollars. If you need help identifying the right merchant partnerships, Maya.ai provides you with a Commerce Studio to digitally onboard merchants, view and compare their past and future performance against your customer base. Maya.ai goes beyond offers to identify preferences and gives an indication to banks on how preferences and tastes can be better captured. This gives the bank a significant boost over the competitors. Maya.ai also comes pre-fed with a lot of these partnerships. They come with a fully integrated mechanism to onboard product catalog for each of these merchants, thereby providing a headless commerce. Maya.ai also comes with a fully integrated fulfillment and payment capability. So if you understood tastes, have identified and onboarded offer merchants, now you're good to go. The Engage Studio allows you to distribute the right message to the right customer on the right channel. Don't you want to do all that thinking and curating? Why not use the good old AI shoulder some of that burden? Maya.ai automatically curates dozens of extremely relevant campaigns which are available on demand. You have campaigns that ensure engagement, campaigns for specific categories, business objectives, and upcoming events and festivities. All these campaigns can be directly loaded onto your execution systems through APIs and custom connectors. And this is how Maya.ai uses personalization to drive 5 to 10% increase in portfolio spends. Maya.ai is compatible across cloud services. Its API-led model is cognizant of open banking. It is ISO certified and uses absolutely no personally identifiable information or PII. It has been GDPR compliant even before GDPR came into existence. And here's a clincher. Maya.ai can bring you all the personalization capabilities in just 10 days. That's right. All of what you saw is available to you in 10 days flat. So let's talk. Reach out to us on Maya.ai. Thank you.